so me ho pa me pacho obetimi adjoin o join a na wa like na wa share e de ama me yensua ade kakra no na me pese nyina ye behwe na yesua ade e afi ho. So a very quick one. Na hu se nkrofo bisa me nkrofo die me say this time Kevin Taylor asem na yeden asem eba ne saying if you in a BC. Yes, let me take my time and explain it to you. I hope you understand and appreciate it. But you oba no I like it. Sound and me jidi say yeah. Me jidi say yeah. So the whole issue of Kevin Taylor started way back January 16th January 2020. 16th January 2020. Time and NCA case, you know. You Jimba the TV no case, you know. Yes, you say sick and now found no. Now a very huge sums of money into the elsewhere and another Dankwa government through the Attorney General Godfrey Yeboadami and filing a case against them at the High Court. Now, High Court, sorry, forgive me, High Court, as I'm starting Yemuno, Obianim Kevin Taylor, let me say, me shut down follow no. A woman, maybe when on Facebook, I see or I hear what he does. So, me name personally the kind could see say the judge said say we issue court warrant and we could see exactly what the judge was saying that Kevin Taylor has said, because I needed to know and appreciate what Kevin Taylor said before I can do a very good story. And I quite remember I listened to Kevin Taylor that very day, or I watched him and I heard whatever he said. But your Obaswa, now I like it, Eddie Amame, now I share, and so the Amame now sound, and if it's good, please let me know. Thank you so much. So 2020, 16th January, and Justice Eric Chebafo. At that time, he was a high court judge. Let me lay the foundation this way. Justice Eric Chebafo was a high court judge. Now, Sisi Ameno Kasano, or a court of appeal judge. Or a court of appeal judge. Now, at that time, sitting as a high court judge, Kevin Taylor can say the case involving Eugene Bafuboni and others, on whom he said, ye be promoti a Justice Eric Chebafo. Na ye promoti no court of appeal. A Juma obey no and say all former government appointees, which is the NDC government then time, he is going to prosecute them and find them guilty and sentence them. He made another allegation that Justice Eric Chebafo listens or takes his orders from the president then time, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the National Security Minister, who was Ken Dapa then time. And he can confidently say that the decisions and the meetings of these people to Justice Eric Chebafo is to make sure to jail NDC government appointees or former NDC appointees then time. Now, he also made mention of the fact that Justice Eric Chebafo has been giving money and wakoto fie anase wasi dan mansion kakraka bi e wakra ha. So these were some of the statements of Kevin Taylor. Justice Eric Chebafo said say the case at hand he was handling at that time was Eugene Bafuboni and others. Now, for Kevin Taylor to come out and say, Wajiska, they be promoting it because of the cases that he's doing, and he has been told or he has been ordered to make sure he prosecutes the former NDC MPs or executives or whoever they are. He thought the gentleman has scandalized the court. And for you to scandalize the court, come to the court and explain or tell the court why I should not punish you. Bra, na beka chere court ni enti a sansem no kan ya ensese court no etwe waso. Let's remember that it happened in 16th January 2020. I quite remember when we did a case, when we did a story about this whole issue that a court has issued a warrant against Kevin Taylor. Mekai pass, even when I did the story, my media house said, say, Kevin Taylor, hey, they can answer, but okay. At that time, so Kevin Taylor did another video saying, and some as Obi Animino said, or any Juma, or the kind of some fine. Fast forward about a week or two, I had some documents about Kevin Taylor filing for Sechorarai, Ziga, Lisa Zuga, Ziga. Okay. Hi. But you know I share them, man. I they will learn. So after the story, Kevin Taylor said so many things. Fast forward. Of file for Sechorarai. Sechorarai ni say the court should quash the decision of the High Court. Into a filing with Supreme Court, pleading with the Supreme Court or praying the Supreme Court to quash the decision of the High Court judge, Justice Erichie Bafo, and the Court of Appeal judge. Now, what are the grounds of Kevin Taylor? The grounds of Kevin Taylor is one, or say, the trial judge, then time, Justice Erichie Bafo, one man the opportunity to hear his side of the story, to tell his story. And one say, or say you're convicted. And I quite remember Justice Erichie Bafo saying that, say, Kevin Taylor mba empo nase owumpa, because I had those analysis saying to Kevin Taylor owukra ne de nifunu ba would nifunu be prosecuted. So there were other commentaries about it. Kevin Taylor said the High Court judge did not give him the fair hearing. Emily Nola, you are one of the people who hate Kevin Taylor with no reason. You must hate people based on what they do against you, but you hate him and keep mentioning his name on your show with me. What is them about Kevin Taylor doing that? Hey, Emily, me pacho, then check the platform you are on. My first time doing court story about Kevin Taylor. Me, go and check. Emily, go and check. With this one, I can bet you, go and check. If you've ever heard platform way obi obeba subiano, mama bisa omo say me what to say my work Kevin Taylor dinda. Me, I do court stories. Case back quarter. That is what I talk about. You are not serious journalists in Ghana. Don't worry. Thank you so much. We are all not serious, but we went to the media school. We are trained. Go back and watch your video the day you were talking about Agrada. What is that about Kevin Taylor doing? Agrada some now can answer Kevin Taylor. Madam, know your facts before you come and talk. I beg you. I also watch you, pa. So know what you are talking about. Because if that is what you are saying, then I don't think they all can win you. But that is your opinion. That is your opinion. Case I walk court and I'm discussing. It's good you are here listening to me. Very well. So, and then fast forward, Kevin Taylor decision or the writ by Kevin Taylor that Kevin Taylor once said the court did not give him opportunity to hear his side of the story. So he's praying the Supreme Court to quash the decision of the High Court judge, Justice Erichie Bafo, now the Court of Appeal judge. Now, and there you call Supreme Court, a 5-member panel presided by Justice Amadou Tanko. We have Justice Senor Jamefe, Justice Bright Philip Mensah, Justice Enes Jehu, then Justice Suraba. These are the justices who sat on the case, 5 justices. Now, because the case happened in 2020, January 16th, the first question Justice Amadou Tanko asked in the court is, lawyer, then because it has even expired. The case has expired. The time limit for you to come for this Setora Rhino, I expire. So why are you here? Gloria Bless, you are high. You are welcome. Hi. Madam, let me do your work. I don't have your time. Gloria, you are welcome, dear. So, what do I say? Justice Suraba, Justice Bright Philip Mensah, and the rest. The first question from Justice Amadou Tanko was say, I don't know what's not here since 2020. I feel now, but let me see. If you have a good lawyer, you have a good lawyer. Maybe I'm a If you even have a bad case and you have a good lawyer, your good lawyer can do something about your case because you are not the one going to talk. Your lawyer is going to talk. The lawyer gave 2 grounds, and let me tell you the grounds. The first ground was 1. The first ground from the lawyer was that 1, the whole proceedings. We were not getting the proceedings. We wanted the proceedings, the whole proceedings, because we can't just come to court and tell the court that, court, judge, we issue arrest warrant. We needed it. We needed the whole proceedings. We were not getting the whole proceedings. So we needed it. The second point the lawyer raised is that 1, the gentleman was out of the jurisdiction, and you know how Ghana, our bureaucracy is. But why not? We are here. Per CI 94, Rule 64 and Rule 24. Now we are before you. So do what you want to do. And he based all this on his argument, citing the Muntie 3 case, citing Chachuchikata's case, which gave them a strong ground because there are precedents. Kwame Kuma TV, I said the law is the law. Yes, the law is the law. You can never change the law. The law is the law. Now, 5 panel members, 1 dissenting, Justice Enes Jehu dissenting, 4 saying that yes, indeed, the High Court then time presided by Justice Eriche Bafo erred because you did not give Kevin Taylor the chance to explain himself. You issued a warrant without hearing his side of the story. That is it. That is it. So the main reasons will definitely come out. The reasons for what the judges said. Because one thing about Supreme Court is every decision is binding on the lower courts. The High Court, the Circuit Court, the District Court. So all decisions that they come out with definitely have reasons. And I know definitely the reasons will come out. So the reasons will be the reasons that will tell me or that will inform me this is the reason why the 4 members said this. And this is the reason why 1 person dissenting from the main issue. And let me tell you, today is my first time meeting Kevin Taylor. Today is my first time seeing him one-on-one. I have not seen him before. I don't know him. Today is my first time I met him in Supreme Court, at the Supreme Court. Me could do court now. We could do court now. We had wanted to speak with him but he did not say anything. His lawyer spoke with us, and his lawyer said, yes, we are happy because this is what we came to court for. I said, why don't you have the reasons? I don't have the reasons because immediately the court did not give the full reasons. Sometimes they will just come and read a sentence and tell you that, okay, this day we will bring the full reasons. Emily, let me do my story. I don't have your time. Whatever you think, whatever you want to say, you can say. But it's good you are here watching me. If you heard me mentioning Kevin Taylor's name, it's your own cup of tea. But I don't have your time. Obi oba court nkomo so ha. Ebetie court nkomo bi anim. I'm a brakwampofo. So I don't have your time. I don't have time arguing, doing such arguments with you. I don't even have your time. And say how Obapa, you can leave the page because me invite you over. I'm very sorry, but I have not invited you. But since you are here, it's better you listen, or you can just go away. Because Obi Oba be a highest ade. Okay, Kevin Taylor or a blogger. What is that mean, Maka Kevin Taylor Samada? What is that Maka Kevin Taylor Samada? Madam, let me do my work. I don't have your time. Thank you. The Queen, I say please ignore her. I have even ignored her. Thank you so much, dear. I will listen to you. I will not even mind him again. King said, Kinade. Is it Kinade? I said, stop. So I met Kevin Taylor for the first time at the Supreme Court, and now I can confidently tell you that Kevin Taylor is a free man. One question people have kept asking me since a Rihanna story and say, so this time, can somebody appeal against this case? You see, funny enough or interestingly, the High Court judge could not defend himself. Justice Erichie Bafo cannot defend himself. When he said, Otemuaphobia Ghana all the government institutions, it is the Attorney General who defends you. Maybe if you don't know, I am telling you today. It is the Attorney General who defends you. Either you are a circuit court judge, a district court judge, either you are a high court judge, a Supreme Court judge, any government institution. If you have any issue, say one kasa nebia wakodi ubone privately be say your friend me ama brakwampofo. I am a Supreme Court judge or a circuit court judge or a high court judge. Say if you are sembi na me ama kodi me bone, but in the line of duty, a dreamer me yemu. Na say if I have any issue or any challenger, it is the Attorney General who defends the judge or that institution or that individual. And I quite remember when Speaker of Parliament, Ekofa, the lawyer, more Oba Supreme Court be defending, then the former Attorney General Godfrey Ebadami spoke lengthy about it, say, no, why should the speaker go in for on one lawyer because they were there to defend him or her at any point in time. So that was it. Now, appeal. Why would the court go for an appeal? No. I don't think Attorney General Becca's will appeal for them. No. And see, with the issue of Kevin Taylor, now Kevin Taylor is a free man. He can come to Ghana at any point in time, leave at any point in time because there is no arrest warrant on him. There is no arrest warrant on Kevin Taylor. So that is the decision of the court. There is no arrest warrant on him. Now, Justice Erichie Bafo is a Court of Appeal judge. So that is the closed chapter of Kevin Taylor. In the case never court it was because of in Zambia, the High Court judge at that time, Justice Erichie Bafo susu say waka na iti amra ntinka omra na omeyi ne ho ano ene court Supreme Court ye court bad time enipa nine adwin akọbenkrom say court na justice Aricheba for te ho saa bre na ye high court no antie na numasem na o issue saa arrest warrant no ti na enam emra kwan so nti o ma bon atu egu se twararai no aye adwuma nti now Kevin Taylor is a free man. Then there is another one a major one apie enwumre ya the Attorney General filing a nolly prosequa in Dr. Kwabena Dufour and others in the case. I won't say Dr. Kwabena Dufour so unima send our courts no courts bank na you collapse na the cases be of courts. Mobeka say I've done several stories about Dr. Kwabena Dufour, Nebano, and then other people. Ni na a bank na collapse. Enwumre ya the Deputy Attorney General and assign Justice Dr. Justice Sremsai on assigning the press release or say Attorney General say one the priority, and this one let me clap for the Attorney General. Me maka several times say sometimes assembly back quarter so nipa na ye ready say obetu sika na yenji yesika ne yempe baby tina into okoda nsem wa mu ha na yasan de yesika momoni sika kakra ko obi sika kakra we sika kakra na ye de sika nketin nyina na yakeka bom na ye de akoto aduane ama wo madi wo a wo de Ghana foka a sika ne yetimeji a ye benya sika ne bi na ebia ye de akoto ye de akoye ye kwan kakra sika ne bi na ye de akosi chip compound wo baby sika ne bi na ye de akosi hospital wo baby sika ne bi na nkwala a ededa e form wo classrooms near the quarter desk samawum. Now, Attorney General say, or no, the priority opene say, ubi biara uwi Ghana sika, ubi biara oje Ghana, udi Ghana sika, nam kwambone so, fa Ghana sika no. Section 35, eda ho plea bargaining. Oba, any sika twitwi die na uwi ayen, ye be multiply, ye be divide. Ubetua wi obesan dia esese wuye bia no custodial boat. I say what are you saying? Me ba cha wote den. Afi no waba nti me ma wakwa aba. Me ba cha wote den. Ne wote ye no ma me hu ne wote ye. So dia Attorney General with this one I am happy. I see Dr. Kwabena Dufour the policy omo ye ne say sika yesusu say ufaye sika yesusu say bia uwiayen definitely with all this you have to even accept to say Annie the charges leveled against you are guilty about it because one jantuma head and wabi sika no you get the point one jantuma eye den and wabi sika no into wuji tumu dia automatically you are guilty unya ye guilty dia then you come for section 35 it is the plea bargaining with the plea bargaining. Then we sit you down with Attorney General, put papers on the table, we take our pen. Now, sikana hina udiye. Ahina eba wonsem. Ni eba wonsem no. Now, let's see. Ni eba wonsem. Ni eba wonsem no. Yenhwe de eba wonsem. Ti ni eba wonsem no. It is eno ene yebebu hu akonta. And I am happy because Attorney General say, or the ato was say 60% threshold. So for Ghana sika, we are Ghana sika be she ubotom. And the sika ne ye basa basa na untimi mu wa kontant le Ghana for dia. Ne pa cho. Ene oba de tie ne say Asantewa Erica Abena, good evening my dear, good evening. Pacha oba no abo like ne so ama me. Thank you for loving me. I also love you so much. I love you so much. Thank you so much. You share and you love and you give me more love. I like you. I also love you so much. Thank you dear. So Attorney General say Dr. Kwabena Dufour any nipa ahoro na ka ne ho no at least wotimi recover sika ne bi was about 60% into ohun ne enti say okoso prosecuting for either 5 years for 4 years for 3 years for 10 years ye be wie no na court a sentence ne say koda fiase na tua isika ne mayen into oda fiase no be den no waye adwuma abetua ga na isika de amayen ebi ni atu esien koda prison yeso yare Oyari, see a time na beto hospital. Abai na ehwe no. If you don't know, abai na ehwe no. Obi beka say nya abai na ehwe no kra so that government facility or wabai nsem into oyari a abai no has to take care of. Ebia enuro bi na ne boarding omunya ntoma na abai ni sika no e man tentemti no ono abusuafo ba kope sika no de aba but ye ka no krepa dia abai the government should take care of him because of the custody of the government. Say NPP abai yes ah kabisa say o ma ye sentencing wo mo no ka Ghana ye nya sika na ka ye nya sika bebre. What's what happened to him, the footballer? But which footballer are you talking about? Is it Abisim case in Anna Richard Appiah? And then I'll update, don't worry. So you see, the Attorney General, this one I side with you 100%. Say a chiobi, no we nipa ne jitum say ane sikano me diye, sikano me faye, sikano me tuya. Section 35, which is the plea bargaining. Let me take you through section 35 a little bit. Sikana of fire, the infant say, Ofa Ghana sika, Obisa me kasa ofa Ghana sika say, I'm trying to be so gentle. A minute, please. Let me take some tissue. Obisa me kasa, ofa and I say, may I so gentle on them? Kasa uriya. Because if we are caught in Kwadia, then it means you are an accused person. So sikana yesusu say uriya no is alleged. So we believe say uriya is sika. So sikana yesusu say uriya na. Yamfani say yesusu say uriya 5,000. Uriya 5,000. Yesusu say uriya 5,000 na. One. So 5,000 na yesusu say uriya no. So oba for plea bargaining na. Ye beji ye 5,000 eno ye baako eda ho. Na ya hwe time a yesusu se uwi asa sika no na dollar no kra yesen. Now ye behwe se ye de ye adwuma anka mfaso ahe na beba so. Now ye working mfaso ni gusu wi a eno da ho. Now ye gi ye sika botene eno ye baako. Ye be working mfaso de agusu eno ye mienu. Now we come to restitution. As I say, utuam patasika de mayen. Adwin na ba utim kura edi kan a o kan se wo be wi aga na sika no. As I say utuam patasika de magana for. That is restitution. Enti utuam patasika de kam. Enti you pay like 3 stages. The first stage is the money itself. Our fire. Then sika ne ye de ye adwuma anka mfaso e beba so. We check. And that's another dollar is saying. Fanny say we are sika in 2020. And now 2021 and now 2022. We work. And that's another dollar is saying. So we calculate. Near the BC and dollar rate. Near GSika. Ye we are. Na Attorney General nanka satana se no ahwe wanim de no aka senti wo empatesika he e na obetua e de amagana fo yemfa nkoto kosua na yen wa wa mu half so ahu na yen chain ni because say sika na ofa ye no obi enya bedan ana so say sika na ofa ye no obi eba e de ne yafunu ekobutu ho twero ye say sika na ofa ye no obi ka ekobo poto si mu panyan e ma kwanhye si because yentimi anya sika amfa anye kwan. So you pay restitution to the government. That is it. Personally, I am very happy. Not say ye jaiwom, but I am very happy on the trend of the Attorney General. And you know, say oma ye chiwomi kwabena edubuahin ene obano beka say and Attorney General, me read all the evidence against me ewo court. Sikano ampa. Metuya. Say Sikana ye cancel this 24 million dollars to Ghana citizen. Obetuya say Sikana ye beji ye Sikana ngazangaza. Ye ria. Obetuya emohun we work the benefits and sana wetuya restitution. Ewo so. Ye nyesika. Ye benyesika. So, enyumre ya Attorney General abeboye Ghana for nyina ma na say Dr. Kwabena Edu Dr. Kwabena Dufo and others and they are filing nolly prosecutor. And you see this Attorney General, he's working. The last time I did some interview and I said, say, me, assemble back quarter, and I'm a kebi. Abonting the social media, whatever somebody is saying, whatever anybody is saying, me, it is not my business. When it comes to the court, I will get documents, read, analyze it, understand it. No, say, case we are the court. Is there evidence against the people? Because your friend case management conference, CMC. It is the CMC and inform me ama. Because me share CMC no die be CMC no. You see, you be free way, you be free way, you be free way, you be free way, you be video way, video ni cry it, you bo, you share video na, you be audio way, you see audio na, but you wouldn't na makas, Charlie, akwa we me and the lawyer pan can make a chance, evidence na you would see on a dear, you be ya, yes, it's to try a bell, no, ye day, what gin and tem, no agent and tem. Na wagina ho enye sa na sa evidence o ma ye be fra dance ni odi kan dance ni otoso mi na dance ni otoso mi ensa na ekofu tra wie na ye find you guilty a pa chaw waso be ye she rough. So if the Attorney General is going on that tangent, it is very good, but with even this, there are some courts in Swa a judge can tell you say no ampa sikani nyina ubetua de amagana for, but I will still sentence you. Inti no say sentence no is the sanka be ma 25 years, e be ma 5 years, so beti maka se ko 2 years. Na sentence say sikani nyina de ma e fa ma because it will serve as a deterrent to others. Enya sanso a na ekwa akoye say obi wi aga na sika ana obi ade ne sabo ga na sika mu na enya kye ne pa o se o sika no betua ebi sika no so tamo owi aye no na rate no e wo soro pa ene dollar rate e wo form pa nti ye kase ye work no watua na ene current rate ene dollar e yesen ene $1 e yesen $100 e yesen at that time that 2020 no na dollar no e yesen na dollar e yesen. So you weigh the two and see. So with that 1 2, that is where we are now. We are yet to see what again will happen. Ochenya meya adoma, another interesting case ebaso ewo court. Mame mubaso nsho cases Ochenya meya adoma is likely say obeti or public domain. One, the former National Petroleum Authority boss, NPA boss, former Chief Executive Officer of NPA, Mustafa Hamid, Ochenya meya adoma, wono any microphobia kind of ye do court. The first appearance, no. Yes, Medisika. What is the Mabeka was him? No, I have not even seen the charges. Ochenya meya adoma. When I hear the charges leveled against them, the monies involved, how they went around it, which is the facts, I will come and explain it to you. And we see the way forward. Ochina Krona immigration guy na downfall ankasa dada no bra beji usika bra na beji usika okoya ye hu na kwesi se adechin ya be a week ye ko hu se ya hye ne body no ochina nyame admasa case ne beba so. In that case, I feel very sad. There is a trend going on. As an answer, I'm very quiet because of school. And one or two things be. I'm very cool very now. But there is a trend going on. May hear some investigation. Ghana police, I am begging you, you need to set up. Minim say ya Ghana for na. Yenya dwen foforo de ya. Senye sa de ya, Ghana police, people have entered this country doing illegal business. And the illegal business that they are doing is ritual murder, killing. Me a case be some years back. That guy was 18 years. If my memory serves me right, Agbozo. Is it Is it Agbod? I will check the name correct and bring it back to you. Atadeka and as case in this year. A 7-year-old girl, a very beautiful girl. Me pacho, wow, Google this case. You will know. Atadeka murder case. A very beautiful 7-year-old girl. Boy na ye che no na odi say wu no. Now either 18 or 20 years. Case na che. At that time, na me hear Juma Hot FM. A very long time case. But I remember. Minua, guy need to meet Gina court today. Mo can say, killing is my hobby. Killing is my hobby. Since that very day, na me, I'm a brakwampo. Me catch him and say, the country I live in Ghana, I am not safe. Yes. Or say killing is my hobby. And he started killing at the age of 12 years. I am telling you. I am telling you. You can Google that case. Atadeka murder case. Mire figure anything. Is it or the either Agbodza? Mire figure. I'm trying to remember the gentleman's name. Meaning, if there are foreigners, where do they pass? I'm fine if I never. If you kroma yeti, pedanya, ya the dynama foreigners because you nisika. A young girl, me fi me kuro me jump me nya bankran. Me be pay adwuma ye. Me nya adwuma kakra no, etua me ka 1,005. Etua me ka 1,000. Etua me ka 800. Me pedan han. Okwa efiera say. Me dan na me dey 700 Ghana a month. Me ju 2 years advance. Me ju 3 years advance. Ujina kwa na foreigner ba. Na we bisa oga, how much be your room? Your room. You dey go how much? Oga say, oga, my room. How much you go pay? 1,000 or 1,002? Oh, oga, make you reduce them. I go give you 1,000. Landlord say, oh, oga, 2 years advance. Oh, oga landlord, me cry, I go pay 3 years advance. Ujina honi ya the dynamo mobi. Ya the dynamo stores. Stores, ya the ma foreigners. Ya the ma foreigners. And the foreigners, we don't even know the work that they do. Obi timi da dem the whole day ombie ne dan si abontin e du anwumra be 11 no betis and afa na obi ne dan kre no watie si abontin. We don't even know adwuma we. The friends that come and visit that very person, we don't even know. And then if you are driving on our ways, you see people and you ask yourself, are all these people in this country? Me, because of my work, I meet taxi drivers. I speak with taxi drivers because most times, I will tell you, I pick trotro, I pick taxis. Not because I don't have money to order for Bolt or Uber or anything. But you see, sometimes I want to listen to what is going on in the system. When the taxi drivers didn't come out, it will shock you. They have fella. Ye can't kurumuha. Oma ehun sem. Oma etin sema. Go to the taxi drivers. They pick passengers. And the calls people listen in the vans, in the cars of taxi drivers. Go to them. A taxi driver called me. Sister, what dear? I will tell you this because there is a joint at a shaman. A joint at a shaman. Or sister, na me Ghana ha. Ya wo me tete me Ghana ha. Nanso Togo ni bi de me call a joint at a shaman. Or sister ma me na me nimu da se eho. Eye kuro mu aya chechere wa shaman. Or se na me nimu da. Offer me wala pass. Osio, oga, make you take me go Ashaman. Ashaman where? Ashaman after under bridge. After under bridge. You make you no worry. I know the area. I say I na at you. Oga, I know the area. Make you carry me. Osi car me charge no. Me charging in such a way sanka me nko. Because nka own tuya. But otuya is can. Osio betu. Osi the whole day na my adwuma. So na me nya passengers. So I have to go. Osi you do ye no. Osi me ntwen no. my train now ma oboni din kire me ntinu na ese me rem o se me rem is ama na ye bia ba o ya bubo nnua wo edan nanim o nti minim se me rem bia ba container na ese no o se me rem no na mbisa so bribe bia so mesi address say o rem wa ha o se me no se when the taxi driver na say o se wan ba bia last man nete wo ekire ho no remu gate da no say gate na ho papa na chi say ho ye serious ko me na me wa ha me se ko gate da o sister udru ho there is nothing that tells you say there is a gate there o se me bie gate na me remu no ye kromu me afana sa kromu sen o se ye kromu ene gu ho o se me remu na me yam shame and my one ketu egu ho ene me si wo mano a wo mo twi nwisie e wo ho no o se me ni di nkomo kwa akire into be pay masem prekope because me open up the man o me kansam me church ne Ghana enkwan ni bi ni ade ye mera ni bi no nti ne me bi santi me church ne me o se me do me bosh o se me ya me rem apen o se wisie pa the young girls egua o se they are make me catch say they are all foreigners me rem apen oga I dey come make you give me 20 minutes I dey transact some business come right there. Your money I go increase it. Make you no worry. I dey come right there. Go call me the organ in the bar there. Make you go call him. I call friend number. I say, Ore my paka is on command and send be obe no so me no monsa. I say then and send be obe no me no kwaje mot. Not na say. Not train. Enye ho. Go to Kaswa. Go to Kaswa. Are we going to sit aloof like this and say Ghana, we are a loving country? Ye penny past 17. We will open our doors for everybody to enter, kidnap our children, kill our children, maltreat our children. Yet kromha and a China ni eba kromha ebe train that ye e wo Ghana ni so e wo Accra Central e se wa parking a car e de si the shop enim and a shop run a young guy ne be kan wasem and then is case ne kosi ya fine no okwose san ni plea and a court fine no ya fine ni ye yet krom ha and na mawako abrante bi timi be so Ghana ni ti e de share blend dem e se wa blend or blend ya de on blend ni ye ono kra de we had justice because he sentence guy no okobai but for how long Takradem Kwalano. They were not Ghanaians, so. They were not Ghanaians, so. Somewhere you work. Somewhere you work. Onye Ghanani. I can give you several cases. Maybe I can say on this very platform that I set. When I come here and I am speaking, I will give you evidence. I will give you cases, sir. You can Google those cases and know, say, this is what happened and this is what Amabrakwampo told you. I will give you those cases. I'm giving you these cases. Go and Google. Somewhere you do work. Takradem kwalana ye kidnap wom. Ye kwa rehwe achire kwa rehwe achire ye say omotiase and omowu. Those guys were not Ghanaians. They were Nigerians. Ekosi say ye sentence wom. Ye man wen omowu. Will the family see them again? No. That boy ye den. So bepi, how many years need them? Oh bepi. So when Pia Krana say murder and they are charging into you finding guilty of murder, or life imprisonment. So did you know? Yeah, my Ghana phone. Yeah, my Ghana phone. And let me give you a classical case. Ebiana Refi. There was this Nigerian guy Oba Ghana ha. What is the name of this guy? Not a war. A very funny nickname be. Obeseto Watema first. He had wanted to recruit Ghanaians. Osi obetina tema and namfonya ya opeso recruit wom no omampene so okokuma se ono na osi obeye kidnapping business. Oh, bring your name. Edini bana me refi. If you remember, you can send me the name. Osi obe establish kidnapping business Ghana. Oh, why am I not getting your name? I'm trying to remember his name. Obatema first. Nigerian boy. Yechi Emba Cracker. MBA Kumasi, this guy. MBA Sakis, and I'm trying to remember this guy's name. Or no see a Nigerian. Or no be kidnapping abrofobia. Kumasi. Ya kwachi woman in a Rambo style. National security for kwachi woman. Somebody should remember me. Oh, this gentleman's name. Me. I'm trying to remember the name. Because that guy was not back to now, say, what's not Nigeria, was Soviet Ghana, no one say Ghana. The business, there is nobody doing kidnapping business in Ghana. Into no be established kidnapping business in Ghana. Do you know how many people that guy was able to train? No. Was he even able to get friends? Yes, he had friends. Because sentencing, we sentenced some Ghanaian boys be. Oko konya adamfo. Oko so be the nedan renting. Oko rent a car. Car no rent and Ghana ni na rent a car man because he had a friend. Oh, why am I not remembering this gentleman's name? You can Google no more abrofo me ensa. Abrofo me ensembia ye kidnap wo mo Kumasi. Abrofobia ye kidnap wo mo Kumasi. I'm trying to remember this Nigerian guy's name. Me refi guy ni. Oh. I'm trying to remember his name. My fear is Mr. Be your own security man. Be your own policeman. Your money titiru and I'm sure the man kwalano. Men am Facebook na me who me same person na me imagine benign. Men am Facebook na me who me same person me yam ti me share me say benign because it is serious. Men am Facebook na me who me same person. The issue is for how long? Is it that our justice system is failing us? I can't same way on my platform to say the good investigators that we had in Ghana Police Service, they are all moving away. The good investigators, they are all moving away from the police service. Why? Case backwater, case back. Near started with district court. And then yes a docket. Or china yes say. And then yes say. And some when ya in some baby. There is a case 6 years in the Attorney General advice in my. What are we doing to ourselves? JB Dankwedu case a hangi ho. Afoko case a hangi ho. Abisim Meda case a hangi ho. Bullion van adede mpodie enokra de yanchi obia oma ye chi on ye jawom nti anko baby ya na anu ya ablekuma farm market de bisase akosi sen. We are still investigating that case. Ye the docket akoma attorney general den advice beba ayebuachi bidi e hangi ho. Abisim case boy ya footballer yo twitwa nkwala mienu e she fridge mi bisase. What has been the outcome of that case? I can mention cases to you. One case, 10 years plus kra. Donko Chrome Bullion Van. Donko Chrome Bullion Van. Ye gusu ye Donko Chrome Bullion Van. As at now, Aden, the edge. Donko Chrome Bullion Van. Me pacho. What dear Google Donko Chrome Bullion Van robbery. No she na sa case in this year. Ne bisa who say Auntie Ghana, why are we treating ourselves this way? Can't we do some amendment? Can't we do it? And ne Okasi yense san ye mra na me dem aka several times say apart from we changing our constitution, emra ba ko ame ama bra kwampo for meti here ye kasa me meye chief justice ene ana me meye omampani ene wo Ghana ha me ama bra kwampo for mesesa ye juvenile act. I will say it and say it again. Time ye juvenile act no na nkwala enim se ye kwakwaji sikaduro na nkwala mfa phone metina social media eni atem na nkwala anim se mako school se JHS se secondary school me teacher didi matem ti me di natem bi anase me ko school me fa me papa tu akọ school na nkwala anim se me ko school na BBC a me ti me kwahye school dan no. At that time na nkwala anim ne se yes teacher ba o odimirika police ba o na kware na obeto hu dem ade beto ne so yes e fun ba o ye ne ye wo fie nkwala ebeda e bia be 3 o'clock. And then what are we seeing? Social media. And then the juvenile act, me see one day a year per time na ko juvenile court ko hwe nkwala egu ho 12 years 13 years 10 years akwala 10 years nim say ni teacher didi na tem na wakofa ne nana aseda wode asie wo baabi na wakohwe egu ni teacher so yes ye ntimi nya amendment ewo the juvenile act. At least we should do something. The whole justice system me dey me hu ni say ya cake. That is my opinion. Me, that is my opinion. Because they say enema bia esisi no esisi me bisa me ho say nti ye mra no den na ye betimi aye e de afa ho. First, na mobile phone ni wa me no bedi nkomo say yes, putting myself in this situation. We learn here. But at first, na bibia say ni ho. Busia from pamchoma me pepa me camera na nim kakra. Enim aye. Em say me ti baby am won ntin free. Thank you. Still, but I think it's far better. So, I think it is time we have to do some amendments. There are so many cases Share immigration officer ya yekunu enyo no nko na no taxi driver no bi afa no ya de na ekọ voter region ni akokunu ni yi ni body ato atwe ne baabi hwe ni esi ye e wo fra mountain voter region wa ya kwachi enkrofo a wo makun young guy bi a ye kotutu fom ho a enye bi na esi wa da asu yi ma me krobo enye bi na esi wo ho no biochemist bi no koye no power 1 bisa se power 1 case na kosi sen bisa se power 1 ni case na kosi sen power 1 na nkasa wawu na ni case na kosi sen investigator no oye power 1 case no ono nkasa wu power 1 na nkasa nso no wawu ekosi sen hwe professor ya owo in wini bayai boy kokun ni nanu ye. For what reason? If the evidence is clear, what do we need again? We need another 5 years. Because FNSC didn't call the district court. Now, you ain't taking a plea. You see, you investigate. It doesn't investigate you, pa. You ain't for the High Court straight away. Now, you start a case in the war. Because district court na we don't do anything there. Adjournment, Madam Fubosi. Adjournment, no. Yeah, adjournment, I could see that be. Adjournment. No. You could see that be. I say nipa kuma is so easy, so flexible. Hey, nanka first akoko kra ye kuma akoko a. Ye ma akoko ni nsuo na wanom. First ye kuma akoko a ye ma akoko ni nsuo na wanom na mimpie na first ye ma akoko ni nsuo na wanom but then what do we see? What do we see? The year when say nipa obi sorry at any point in time. Na wakum obi. Okune bekwa kwesi sen. Ye ba kwesi ni say yache no. Yache na 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 court. Oh, we are investigating. We are investigating. Oh, we are still investigating. Investigating. Abusuani yi na ni firi so pa eno ano no. Na case na say ehange ho. Asa ye beka. Asa ye nka. Asa ye beka. Asa ye nka. Na wo ho. Oh, Attorney General, we are waiting for AG's advice. AG advice and could take 1 year. AG advice and could take a year plus. Near go to court, near train. 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 Because we are waiting for AG's advice. My humble plea is, please, Mama yenye a little bit flexible. Because the rate at which, as I say, the young men, the young women, it is too much. Now check the murder rate. Last year, I'm a concern one prisons. Condemned cells. Nipi egugon, enye paketwa. Condemned cells. Nipi egugon, enye paketwa. Imagine say, enkwalanketwa, the juvenile cases nyina no, ye de ko hwa de kwa kusikame. Into change me adoma immigration guy no na damfo ni kun no ni case na beba so. I will bring you the update. Ochenya me adoma Owura Mustafa Hamid, the first appearance e wo court. Ochina kro na Gregory Afoko case no. Meaning if Attorney General wants to file a nolli prosequa or discontinue the case. Afoko case, yako first one. Ankusi baby and now it is the second time. Yebeko. Let's hope for the better and let's see what we have. But as a country, Ghana, I think our judicial system, we have to sit down, talk about it and talk about it very well. Sister Josephine Yamson, hello, sweet sister. Me judicial pa. Sorry, me auntie friend, I have to call her back. I'll call her back. Hey, Sister Josephine, I'm Momewati. They say Mama Quine. Into a bit me doing come. My friend when you may. They say Mama Quine. When you have don't even go school. Because school in a referee system anymore. I needed to put my feet on the ground very well. They say there, oh me kiko kakra. They say at least your body in school system nafa. Is a body na aji school no. First now, Misuya and fa. But they say nyame adom. After writing, I miss you too. Sisters, I miss you like something. I miss you so much, so much. And for that is the situation now. She say as time goes on, I'll be bringing you cases updates, then what happens in the court. Ebre ekonenim. Nti minianom, mame famun siya. Amenda mu nyina se. Court nkomo. I have no issue with anybody in this country. Me ni obia ni asemo. I have no issue. So if you have issue with me, then it's your own beef. If you have issue with me, it's your own beef and your own cup of tea. Me dear, I have no issue with anybody. A backwater, I have a C because I work from the court. I get the document, and whenever a case comes to court, it's a public document. I can write a letter to any court for the document and read and understand it. This very platform, Court and Gomo, is there also. May attack you be ada. Mindy will be at a Mama Pat, I must say, Macana, say, Mama Pat, or no Becca say, Mihuna Michiano, or whom you're chiami. As of West Yamakra, may rene interview. I have no issue with us of West Yamono, whom ya, or Casame home. Or whom you're Casame home. And see, I have no issue with anybody. And me inquire report to be a police say you be and I say you be. I have nothing against anybody. So please, Abusia for Mamenda Masna family so change me adma definitely be share. Be din komo. Be si wo court bia no. Ochina. Be share na ye di ho komo. You know I love everybody. This is court in komo. But you subscribe here, subscribe. And na ye buy a door so pa. But you unlike page me so now I like it, mama. And you real life no unlike and picture like mommy. I know you people you love me, especially when today my twin sister Josephine Yamson is here. I love you so much, sweet sister. Now me sure I know your case. You know my birthday is coming, eh? Sunday is my birthday. Sunday is my birthday, and Sunday is the birthday of my church. I become Presby. Master Renya, how many years? 28. Is it 50? No. How many years last year? Master Renya 27 years. Hey, Master Renya. Yet sorry no. Your branch no. I become Presby at TM. Me so 40 se me try drop obebo me. So Sunday is my birthday. So I'm wishing myself a happy birthday in advance. A happy birthday in advance. Na me unsure me. No nya me kese. Na me my dream. Ma me nkwatenti ahode wo. Unsure me, am sure me. I love everybody. So cheers. We will talk. Bye bye. Achenya me aduma. Ye be share.